In the autumn and winter season, you must arrange this three-spice soup for your family. Fresh and delicious, light and nutritious. It will be frozen tomorrow. The recipe is simple, and adults and children all love to drink it. First, prepare a piece of tender tofu or soft tofu. Then cut it into strips with a knife and finally into tofu cubes. Set it aside on a plate. Next, prepare a few shiitake mushrooms. Cut them into thin slices. Cut a handful of mushrooms into small pieces as well and place them on a plate. Prepare a handful of Chinese cabbage. Cut it into small pieces and set it aside. Then, prepare a plate of shrimps. Remove the shrimp heads and veins, then peel off the shells. Set aside, prepare an empty bowl, and crack 4 eggs into it. Do not stir. Heat oil in a pan and pour the eggs directly in. Fry on high heat. Once the bottom is cooked, shake the pan to heat it evenly, then flip and fry the other side. Use a spatula to break the eggs into small pieces. Add some shredded green onion. The key point here is to add boiling water. Boil on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the soup becomes very white and looks rich and nutritious. Add the mushrooms and tofu. Continue to cook for 2 minutes to ensure the ingredients are well done. My main page has already shared more than 100 home-cooked dishes. I have never received your like. If you happen to see this video, please give me one. Thank you very much. When the soup becomes very white, add the shrimp, then season it. Add a spoonful of salt, a little pepper, and a touch of umami seasoning. No other seasonings are needed. This soup is already very fresh. Finally, add the vegetables. Cook for 1 more minute and before serving, sprinkle with chopped green onion. Such a nutritious and delicious tofu soup is ready. Now that the weather is very cold, you can prepare this pot of soup for your family. It is warm and delicious. As the saying goes, eat tofu on winter days. Someone lives in the bathroom. Bite into the tofu bowl in winter and everything is as early as spring. If you like this tofu soup, try it at home.